list of matters raised with permission, Sriman Dorji, chairing Lepcha.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with immense honor that I stand before this August House today to highlight a defining moment in India's political history, one that celebrates the unparalleled leadership of PM Shri Narendra Modi ji, whose name has now been etched in the annal of our nation's history, as he has surpassed the record once held by Shri Pawan Chamling ji, who served for 8,930 days as the Chief Minister of Sikkim. PM Modi ji has now become the longest service head of an elected government by serving 8,931 days in public office, first as the Chief Minister of Gujarat and now the Prime Minister of India. PM Modi has unparalleled leadership and dedication to the prosperity of this great nation. From his transformative years in Gujarat to the remarkable start made in the center, he has reshaped India's social and economic fabric, guiding it through challenges and turning them into opportunity. As I speak to you, I am reminded of how far we have come as a nation. When PM Modi ji assumed office, he promised India cannot develop until the Northeast develops. Today we can proudly say that he has truly delivered on this promise. Under the leadership, my own state of Sikkim has been its fortune challenge, its way we could have only dreamed a few years ago because of policies that have directly empowered us. He has transformed the Northeast in a symbol of progress, empowerment and hope, new highway connectivity, robust digital and energy infrastructure. These are the threads that bind us to the large fabric of the nation, and that in the difference between a long tenure and merely occupies office, and that which transforms the life of crores of people. Shri Narendra Modi ji took charges of Gujarat in 2001. In just over a decade, Gujarat has been transformed into a multi-sectoral powerhouses from agriculture, industry, port, power, road and river front, under which the state GDP multiplied into investor confidence, turned Gujarat into one of India's most attractive investment destination. Since 2014, we have witnessed a shift in our national character. Today, India is emerging as a global power, a nation that commands respect, a country that defines its own future. PM Modi ji long tenure stand as an example of continuity with transformation, continuity that delivers and continuity that raises people's aspiration. At the core of PM Modi ji's character lies deep empathy for the poor and the marginalized. He truly delivers in the philosophy of Antodaya, uplifting the last person in the unique. Though Antodaya Bharat 12 crore people families have received security of health through Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman.
Please conclude.
मेडिसिन में 22% डिस्काउंट, साथ ही फ्री होम डिलीवरी कॉल कीजिए या विजिट कीजिए सिलीगुड़ी फार्मेसी, बाघा जतीन रोड, हाथी मोड़ के निकट, सुभाष पल्ली, सिलीगुड़ी। कॉल 9933990001।
Financial assistance of ₹6,000 crores per year. PM Ujjwala Yojana has empowered over 10 crore poor households with clean cooking, and fuel and Jal Jeevan Mission has provided access to tap water to over 12 crore additional rural houses. Under PM Modi, farmers have received record MSP hikes, with price granted at least 50%.
How many minutes?
Expanding to more crops and higher volume in procurement. Over 7 crores farmers now hold Kisan credit cards, unlocking more than 10 lakh crores of affordable credit for seeds, fertilizers and machinery. Backed by an agriculture budget that has jumped from about 22 crore in 2013-14 to nearly 1.3 lakh crore today. These measures today have built a powerful, unbreakable safety net for our
government to respond to your
not encoded in a hard delivery infrastructure, digital India and UPI, Jan-Dhan accounts, and mobile phones have made almost every part of the modern financial system. Under PM Modi's leadership, women-led development has gained momentum by abusing instant triple talaq, guaranteeing 1/3 reservation legislature, empowering them through Lakshmi Didi and Namo Didi scheme.
Let the government respond to your request.
So, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, more than 57 crores collector fee loan have been sanctioned, and women are the backbone of this movement, receiving 68% of the literal loans on the street of a city. PM subsidy have become a lifeline for small vendors with nearly 1.5 crores loans sanctioned, and 44% of the beneficiaries are women. Our PM is a Karma Yogi, a leader who touches people, who speak directly to citizens through initiatives like Man Ki Baat. On one side, a new national education policy, a first on killing, started India and targeted program for new age sector. On the other, we have year after year to reduce exam stress and build confidence. It is long through PNB for exam warrior across the country. On the government front, is thinking revolutionary. He created new ministries like Ayush Janshakti Corporation and Skill Development and Entrepreneurship to address specific challenges with focused energy. He introduced the whole of government approach, breaking silos and ensuring seamless coordination, comprehensive like breakthrough is Modi's unwavering focus on transformative initiative that foster.
What's your favorite beverage?
Strawberry milkshake. Movie, Agnipath.
Yep.
Butter chicken. Home interiors, Homelane.
By getting your interiors done from Homelane, you choose a hassle-free experience.
45-day delivery, no hidden costs, and a flat 10-year warranty.
Come meet us.
Homelane Modular Kitchens and Wardrobes, now available at Selection Furniture, Siliguri, opposite Vega Circle Mall, next to Zudio. Call now 7699736111. मेडिसिन में 22% डिस्काउंट, साथ ही फ्री होम डिलीवरी कॉल कीजिए या विजिट कीजिए। सिलीगुरी फार्मेसी, 99% मेडिसिन हमेशा उपलब्ध। यही है हमारी स्पेशलिटी। विश्वास नहीं होता? अजमा लीजिए। आज ही कॉल कीजिए या विजिट कीजिए। सिलीगुरी फार्मेसी, बाघा जतीन रोड, हाथी मोड़ के निकट, सुभाष पल्ली, सिलीगुड़ी। कॉल 9933990001. Consultation available with doctors.
Tired of wasting time finding parking at malls? At Amit Olympia, you'll never struggle again. With 9 floors of parking, connecting to all floors of the mall. Park your car, step out, and you're already inside the mall. Amit Olympia, Siliguri's most connected mall. Rising soon.